Welcome to Chapter 3 of Digital Communication, Error Control Systems. Module 5 includes 3 different linear block codes decoding techniques, 5,2 linear block code, 6,3 linear block code, and 7,4 linear block code. For all these 3 linear block code, we will study how to detect error, how to correct error, how to decode the data bits, and how to implement the decoder system. First one is 5,2 linear block code. G is equal to 1001. So the G should be known to the receiver for designing the decoder system. G is equal to 1001. So this is an identity matrix. Then 110011. The same generator matrix we have used for encoding. And for our example, I am providing here two received codes. R1 is equal to 01011, R2 is equal to 11110. So what we want to do here, from each received code, we want to get the data back. For that one, there are steps. First, we should verify error is there or not. If there is no error, remove parity, get the data bits. Or if error is there, then correction is needed. After correction, remove parity, get the data. For error detection, we need to calculate syndrome matrix. For calculating syndrome matrix, we need H transpose. For calculating H transpose, first I am calculating H. H is known as parity check matrix. G is IP. If G is IP, H is P transpose I. So this part is P. I'll take the transpose of this, that is 110. That will be the first column, 110. Next 011. That will be the second column, 011. So from this P, I got here P transpose. In generator matrix, if P is right side, in H, P transpose will be left side. So I repeat, 110, first column 110, next 011, second column will be 011. Now there are 3 rows, so we should go for a 3 by 3 identity matrix, 100, 010, 001. This identity matrix and this identity matrix dimensions are not same. This identity matrix is K cross K, this is N minus K cross N minus K. Here K cross K, that is 2 by 2, and here N minus K, that is 3 by 3. From H transpose can be written. Just take the transpose. First column will be the first row. So 110, that will be the first row. Second column 011, that will be the second row. Third column 100, that will be the third row. So this is H transpose. This H transpose can be directly written from generator matrix. Like this, 110, that is first row, 011, second row, and below that identity matrix. That is why H transpose is PI, or H is P transpose I. From H transpose, we are able to complete syndrome table. For a 5,2, D minimum is equal to 3, correction capability is equal to 1. So total number of error patterns 5,2 linear block code can correct is equal to 5C0 plus 5C1. 5C0 is equal to 1. That means there is one combination without any error. That is actually 5 zeros. 5C1 is equal to 5. And meaning of that 5C1 is total number of bits are 5 and make 1, 1. So all possible combinations I have written here. 10000. This indicates that first bit is error bit, 01000, second bit is error bit. So these are the only 5 possible positions, first bit or second bit or third bit or fourth bit or fifth bit. Last case, there is no error. These are the possible error pattern the system is able to detect and correct at the receiving side. The reason I am not writing here 2 ones indicates that there are 2-bit errors, and our system 5,2 is not capable of correcting 2-bit errors. Its capability is only up to 1-bit error. That is why only 5C0 plus 5C1 combination should be written here. That is 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 combination. Against each error pattern, now we want to calculate syndrome. Calculation will be like this. SC is equal to E into H transpose. So first E 10000 into H transpose. So we have studied previously the EC method. When you are multiplying these two, here the first bit is 1. So the answer will be first row. That is written here 110. Next 01000 is multiplied with H transpose. Second bit is 1. So the answer will be second row. Second row is 011. So similarly, the remaining answers can be written. So now all these 5 combinations will come here. The last will be 0 multiplied with the H transpose. The product will be 0. So that's the last result will be syndrome is equal to 0. If syndrome is equal to 0, error pattern is also 0, and received code and corrected code are same. So here, first we determined H, then H transpose. Using H transpose, we have completed syndrome table. Now this syndrome table can be used for error correction. The first received code is 01011. Step number 1 is calculate syndrome. Syndrome SC is equal to R into H transpose. R received code into H transpose. The multiplication is like this. Second bit is 1. So second row XOR fourth and fifth bits are 1. So fourth row and fifth row. Second row plus fourth row plus fifth row. Answer is 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1, 0. So the syndrome is equal to 0, 0, 0. Syndrome is equal to 0 is an indication the received code is a valid code and there is no error. So written here, SC is equal to 0, R1 is a valid code and there is no error. So the corrected code is same as the received code is equal to 01011. Generator matrix is an IP format. Due to that IP format, leftmost k bits are data bits. For a 5,2, k is equal to 2. So leftmost 2 bits are data bits. So data bits are 0, 1. So that will be the final output of decoder. 0, 1 is the original data. Second received code is 11110. Calculate syndrome. SC is equal to R into S transpose. Syndrome is calculated equal to 011. Not equal to 0. That's an indication the received code is an invalid code. That means error existing in the received code. So once error existing, then correction is needed. For the correction, we should select the error pattern from the previous decoding table. For SC is equal to 011, I just verify what is the error pattern. For SC is equal to 011, SC is equal to 011 here, and the equivalent error pattern is 01000. So that 01000 is going to be selected here. Error pattern is 01000. This error pattern is going to XOR with received code. Received code is 11110. So 11110 plus error pattern. So answer is 10110. From this 5 bits, leftmost k bits are data bits. That is leftmost 2 bits are data bits. So the output data is 10. So the first example, there is no error. Second example, there is an error. So we did error detection and correction. Implementation of 5,2 decoder. 5 bits are going to be received. So 5 single bit registers are used here for receiving that 5 bits. R5, R4, R3, R2, R1. From these received bits, first step is to calculate syndrome. For calculating syndrome, we need equation. That equation is going to be determined from this formula. S is equal to R into H transpose. Number of syndrome bits are n minus k. So here 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. That is why S3, S2, S1 is equal to number of received bits are 5, R5, R4, R3, R2, R1 into H transpose. So the multiplication is row into column. So the multiplication will be like this: R5 into 1 plus R4 into 0 plus R3 into 1 plus R2 into 0 plus R1 into 0. So the equation will be then S3 is equal to R5 plus R3. Similarly, this row multiplied with the second column will get second equation, that is S2 is equal to R5 plus R4 plus R2. Third equation, this R is multiplied with the third column. Equation will be S1 is equal to R4 plus R1. These three equations are used here for providing the connection. First equation, S3 is equal to R5 plus R3. That is why R5 plus R3 output will be S3. Second, S2 is equal to R5, R4, R2. R5, R4, R2 XORing, the output will be S2. Third equation, S1 is equal to R4 plus R1. R4 plus R1 output will be S1. This portion is known as syndrome calculator. From R, we calculated syndrome. From the syndrome, next step is to generate error pattern. For generating error pattern, we can use this decoding table. 5 AND gates are used for generating 5 bits error pattern. All these parallel wires are connected to S3, S2, S1. So this wire carrying S3 bit, second wire is carrying S2, third wire is carrying S1. The connection is based on this syndrome table. The first combination is here 1, 1, 0. So this 1, 1, 0 I am implementing here. 1, so it's a direct connection. Second one again connected directly. And third bit is 0. That is, it is connected to an inverter. That is a complement. So it is direct, direct and complement. Because the first S3, S2, S1 is 1, 1, 0. I'll give the reason why the connection is made like this. Whenever the syndrome is 1, 1, 0, our requirement is like this: E5 should be equal to 1. And if it is 1, 1, 0, 1 into 1, but the third 0 is inverted, so it will be 1 into 1 into 1. Output will be 1. That's the requirement here. For syndrome 110, E5 should be equal to 1. So that answer we will get with this connection. Second connection is based on the second syndrome. Second syndrome is 011. That is why here complement. Both are directly connected. Third combination is 100. So that we can see here 100. Even you can read that combination here. Next syndrome is 010. Next combination 001. Don't use the last combination 000. But total number of error bits are only 5. So we need only 5 AND gates. And if the syndrome is 000, you can verify the error pattern will be 00000, because there is no connection with the 3 inverters. So at least 1 0 is going to be multiplied, the product will be 0. So for any syndrome, we are going to get the corresponding error pattern at the output side. Each one can be verified based on this connection and the decoding table. Once the error pattern is generated, next step is error pattern is going to XOR with the received bits. So 5 bits error pattern is XORing with the 5 received bits, and the output will be the corrected code, because our formula shows corrected code C is equal to received code R plus E. So the same thing we have implemented here. Error pattern XOR with the received code, output will be corrected code. Out of this 5 bits corrected code, leftmost 2 bits are data bits. That's written here D2, D1. Input R, final output will be D2, D1. That is the data bits. That's the implementation of 5, 2 decoder. Next example is 6, 3 linear block code. generator matrix is written here. 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is PI format. Again, this we have studied when we studied the encoding, 6,3 encoder, how to design generator matrix. There are two received codes written here, 101101 and 110100. For each received code, finally, we want to get the data bits back. Like the previous example, the first step is generation of H. G is Pi. So due to Pi, this should be I P transpose. So always go for first P transpose. 101 is first row. So that should be the column here, 101. Second row is 011, so 011, 110, 110. At this particular case, both are same. Once you completed this one, there are 3 rows, so you can go for a 3 identity matrix. So that is H. H, I, P transpose, and G is P, I. From this H transpose is written here. First column here, first row. And that is equivalent to I, P. First 3 rows are I, next 3 rows are this P only. 101, 011, 110. So this H transpose can be written directly from generator matrix. Or if H is given, from H, get H transpose. Again, 6,3 is also capable of correcting 1 bit error. So total number of error patterns 6,3 can correct is equal to 6C0 plus 6C1. 6C0 is equal to 1 and 6C1 is equal to 6. So total number of error patterns are 7. Here I am showing total 7 error patterns. 1, 1 and 5 zeros, write all combination. There are 6 combinations and the final one will be complete 0. That complete 0 is an indication there is no error. And 1, 1 is an indication there is 1 bit error, because that is only the capability of the system. 2 bit error can occur, 3 bit error also can occur, but the system will never detect that error. For each error pattern, like the previous example, each error pattern, the corresponding syndrome can be determined by multiplying with the H transpose. First error pattern multiplied with H transpose. Here first bit is 1. So the first row will be the answer, 100. That is written here, 100. For the second error pattern, second bit is 1. So here second row will be the answer, 010. So like this, syndrome can be determined by multiplying E into H transpose. So it's a easy procedure. There is no multiplication needed. Write the same H transpose here. And the last row will be 000. Because E is equal to 0, the product will be 0. So what we have completed? We have completed H. Then we have completed H transpose. Then we made syndrome table or decoding table. So this syndrome table or decoding table can be used for error correction. First received code is 101101. Always step number 1, calculate syndrome. S is equal to R into H transpose. R is a received code. H transpose. The multiplication will be like this. First bit is 1. So first row XOR. Third row XOR. Fourth row XOR. Sixth row. Wherever 1 existing, you select that rows. Then XOR, and the answer is 110. So 110 is an indication S is not equal to 0, so the received code is invalid. We need error pattern. From the previous syndrome table, for S is equal to 110, this is the error pattern, and this error pattern is going to XOR with received code for getting the corrected code. So C is equal to R plus E. R is a received code. This is error pattern. This error pattern we are getting from the previous syndrome table according to this syndrome. Syndrome is 110. So this will be the corrected code. And from this corrected code, now rightmost 3 bits are data bits because G is equal to Pi. If G is equal to Pi, rightmost k bits are data bits. 6, 3. So k is equal to 3. Rightmost 3 bits are data bits. So that is why rightmost 3 bits are written here, 1, 0, 0. Next received code is 110, 100. First calculation of syndrome, R into H transpose. Syndrome is calculated, that is 011. Syndrome is not equal to 0. That is an indication received code is an invalid code or error existing in the received code. From the previous syndrome table, for the syndrome 011, the equivalent error pattern is 000010. So this error pattern is going to XOR with received code. We will get the corrected code, and the corrected code is 110110. Rightmost 3 bits are data bits. So the final output will be 110. I show one easy method to do the correction without even using the decoding table. That will be like this. When you are calculating syndrome 110, just verify where is 110. 110 is the last row. So this is an indication last bit is error bit. Syndrome is 110. Check which row that 110 existing. So sixth row is 110. So that is an indication sixth bit is error bit. If this is error bit, then correct bit will be 0. That is why it is written here 0. 101101 is written here 101100. Last bit is error bit. If this is error bit, correct bit will be 0. Similarly, for the next example, the syndrome is 011. And you can verify here where is 011. 011 is the fifth row. So if 011 is fifth row, just invert the fifth bit here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth bit is 0. Invert that one. So it will become 1. You can see that will be the final answer. 110110. So that will be the corrected code, and the data bits finally 110. So without using the decoding table, we are able to do error detection and correction. Implementation of 6,3 decoder. See the difference. Now it is a PI format. That is why from left to right, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Previous case, R from this side, and it was written R5 to R1. Now it is R1 to R6. Using that equations, S is equal to R into S transpose. We are getting 3 equations. S1, S2, S3 is equal to R1 to R6 multiplied with the H transpose. We are getting 3 equations. S1 is equal to R1 plus R4 plus R6. That is why here R1 plus R4 plus R6 for generating S1. Second equation is S2 is equal to R2 plus R5 plus R6. That we can see here R2 plus R5 plus R6. Similarly, 3 equations are implemented here. That will give S1, S2, S3. And again, like the previous cases, that is connected to 3 wires. 6, 3, so 6 AND gates are needed. For each AND gate, the input connection is based on this decoding table. The first combination is 1, 0, 0. That is why here 1 inverter, inverter. Next combination is 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0, inverter, direct connection, inverter. Next combination 0, 0, 1. So that you can see here 0, 0, 1. Next combination 1, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 1. It's a clear indication how decoding table is implemented here. The output will be error pattern. Error pattern is XORing with the received code for obtaining corrected code. Now out of the 6 bits corrected code, the rightmost 3 bits are data bits. That is written here D1, D2, D3. Third example is 7, 4 Hamming-Gold. Generator matrix is an IP format. It is written here. There are 2 received code R1 and R2. Step number 1, calculate parity check matrix H. This is IP. So it should be P transpose I. Here the row is 110. That will be the column here 110. Next row is 011. That will be the second column. 111. Third column. 101, fourth column. So there are 3 rows. That is why we should go for a 3 by 3 identity matrix. So that is H. Dimension of H is always n minus k cross n. N minus k is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. That is only 3 rows. From this H transpose can be written directly from here, P and I. Again, 7, 4 Hamming code is also capable of correcting only 1 bit error. So total number of error patterns are 7C0 plus 7C1. That is 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So all 8 error patterns are written here. Out of these 8 error patterns, the last error pattern 7C0, there is no error. And the first 7 patterns are 7C1. Meaning of 7C1 is 1 bit error pattern. So only 1, 1 and 6 zeros. Now all combinations are written here. Against each combination, using this H transpose, syndromes are also written here. Multiplication between this error pattern and H transpose will get the corresponding syndrome. So we have completed syndrome table. Now for the given received code, we are able to do error detection and correction. Received code is 0000110. Step number 1, syndrome calculation. S is equal to R into H transpose. After multiplication, the answer is 110. Here, 5th bit is 1, 6th bit is 1. So XOR 5th row and 6th row. Answer is 110. That is why 110. Syndrome is not equal to 0. That is an indication R1 is an invalid code. From the previous syndrome table, for this S is equal to 110, this is an error pattern. So this error pattern is XORing with the received code for getting the corrected code 1000110. Generated matrix is IP format. That is why the leftmost 4 bits are data bits. So final output data will be 1000. I have told you one easy method to get this answer without looking the syndrome table. That will be like this. Syndrome is 110. Verify where is 110 here. 110 is the first row. If 110 is the first row, first bit is error bit. 110 is the first row, so first bit is error bit. So the first bit is error bit. So here instead of 0, then we should write 1. 1000110. That is the final answer. 1000110. Now the second received code is 100111. Syndrome is calculated. Syndrome is equal to 001. So 001 is an indication error existing in the received code. From the decoding table, the corresponding error pattern is selected. This error pattern plus received code, we got the final corrected code, that is 1000110. Leftmost 4 bits are data bits, that is 1000. Or without looking the decoding table, answer will be like this. Syndrome is 001. Verify where is 001. That's the last row. So if the last row is the syndrome, then last bit is error bit. So the corrected code will be 0000111. Sorry, here. This is a received code. The last bit is error bit. So the corrected code will be 1000110. That's the answer here. So out of these 7 bits, leftmost 4 bits are data bits. That is 1000. This is the implementation of 7, 4 decoder. See now R from this side, because it's an IP format, 7-bit register is used here to receive 7 bits received code R7 to R1 using 3 equations S3, S2, S1. Connections are made. N, K, N is equal to 7. So 7 AND gates are used. The first combination is 110 that you can see here. 1, 1 complement. Second combination is 0, 1, 1. So that is why here 0, 1, 1. Third combination 1, 1, 1. Fourth combination 1, 0, 1. Fifth combination 1, 0, 0. This I am reading from that H transpose. Next combination 0, 1, 0. Last combination 0, 0, 1. So according to this H transpose, these connections are made. Output will be error pattern. Error pattern is XORing with the received code for getting the corrected code. So 7 bits corrected code is obtained. Out of the 7 bits, leftmost 4 bits are data bits because D is an IP format. So that is written here D4, D3, D2, D1. Thank you.